Today we will see user interface of SolidWorks. Here we can create part, assembly, drawing. Let's start with part. Here this is a graphics area. So from welcome window I will open my recent CAD file. Here I will set view of this model to isometric. Here now this feature manager design tree, where you will see each and every features used for creating model. And next this is menu bar. This is command manager, where all the basics features are available. Here this is search command bar. And this is heads up view bar. This is task pane, where library features is available. Here we will see which commands are there in tab. Here in commands tabs we will see tabs like sheet metal structural system, weldmenter and many more. Now I am adding structural system tab. And then weldment tab. When double click on selected tab, respective features are available to use. For sheet metal, structural system and for weldment all the features are available. So now we will see how to customize SolidWorks user interface. There are two ways to select Customize button in SolidWorks. First is from Options and second is by right-clicking on ribbon and select Customize. For easy working, toolbars plays very important role. This will create toolbar tab on SolidWorks user interface. Let's say, I will select standard views. This will create toolbar tab on SolidWorks user interface. See, I can set this toolbar anywhere in SolidWorks. Even, I can remove toolbar by simply unchecking the pick box. Next is shortcut bars, so here you can create shortcuts for part, assembly, drawing and sketch. Even you can drag any toolbar to SolidWorks user interface, also we can add toolbars in each modes. Here, I am adding shortcut button in part dialog box. Then, I will add another shortcut button to assembly dialog box. Again, same thing I will do for drawing dialog box. Same thing for sketch mode also. These shortcuts are accessible when you are working in respective mode, and it is easy to access by simply pressing S key. Moving next to commands, so here you can search any command, which you want to keep it on SolidWorks user interface or window. I want redo toolbar on ribbon. What I will do simply drag and drop it on SolidWorks user interface. Moving next to keyboard shortcuts, here we can customize keywords of feature, commands or any other categories in SolidWorks. Here, now I will simply add shortcut keyword to surface curvature combs, that is Shift plus S key. Moving next to mouse gestures, a quick way to access common commands without having to navigate through menus or use keyboard shortcuts also. 14 number of gestures you will perform in SolidWorks gesture. Here for each modes we can set gestures for easy work. If I want to add any command or feature in part mode I can simply remove it and add a new command to it. Then, for part, I will remove and add any command or feature. Same, for sketch mode, I will remove any feature from it and then I will simply add another feature from the following command list. Again, same thing. You can do for assembly gesture, and, same thing for drawing gesture. Moving, next to heads up view, where we will see how to fit your model to the screen or simply we can fit our model to graphics area. Next, zoom to area of model. You need to select area which you want to zoom, again pressing F key for fit to screen. Previous view, means back to your previously performed view. Next, section view, where you can create cross-section of your model by selecting any plane or face of the model. Next, view orientation, refers to the position and angle of the 3D model in the graphics area. Changing the view orientation allows you to view your model from different angles and perspectives. Next, hide all type. Here you can hide anything from following buttons. Next, view settings, where you want to keep your model in following views. So, now, deselecting real view graphics will remove realistic view from model, or deselecting shadow and shaded mode will remove shadow from model, selecting both options again for good realistic view. So, this is overall customization of SOLIDWORKS. Now, moving next to motion study. It is a powerful tool that allows you to simulate and analyze the motion of your 3D designs. Motion studies can be used to evaluate the functionality of your design, optimize its performance, and test different design configurations before building a physical prototype product. Okay, so, going back to SOLIDWORKS model window, ending with the last topic, that is design library. It is a powerful tool that allows you to save and reuse commonly used features, parts, assemblies, and sketches in your designs. The design library can help you save time and increase productivity.